Let's go to the properties. At first of all, it asks you to enter the master password. This is the password which you have set straight after downloading DustTool. Let's key that in. Okay. So the first section is about the RS-485. First of all, of course, you see here it's enabled. We can see all the settings, the baud rate, parity, stop bits, slave ID. You can change the values here by clicking on these drop-down menus. If you want to lock your device so that nobody else can set or do anything else without knowing the password, you can lock it here. So now the instrument is locked, and if you want to do anything here, let's say you want to change the alarm delay time to be 10 seconds, save, I will say access denied. In the same field, you can also unlock it with the same password. This field here, Sintrol password, that's a field which is completely reserved for Sintrol personnel and Sintrol programmers. No distributor, no customer has access to that. Then, last but not least, we have here an info field about the firmware version, and this is also just a pure information field which says that it's the version 3.1.6. Yeah, that's about all about properties.